Using my iPhone, I will show you how to use the main functionality of Hengavv project. First of all, what we need here to log on into the Hengavv, and please try to register on the right hand corner on the top with your email address as a username and your unique password. If you haven't done so, this link will come to the admin person and myself to verify your email. Then you'll be able to use the website page and the application to add a new point of interest. To start with, on the top left hand side, the Hengavv logo, you can access the rest of the pages, which is the About Us, Contacts. But what's main interest for you is the map, which we are now logging in. First of all, setting is important to set up your outdoor mode or to refresh the application, and also to advise you how to install the application. Below that is zoom out and zoom in, as you can see, and beneath that is the target icons, which is indicating your location. It will take you straight to your point, which you are staying there. Below that is the point of interest layer, which you can see we have over 20 point of interest layer. For example, the cafe, and it will show you the nearest cafe to your location. Or what we can do is to type in your destination in the search box. So for example, here I'm going to type Qalat, which is the Erbil citadel, which is a very famous point of interest in Erbil city. It will show me straight away in the down below. You can notice that there is two icons in the point of interest. One of them indicates the information. For example, I can show you the citadel of Erbil, picture, location, city, and category. You can modify and submit the modification. It will come to the admin people and myself to verify it. The second icon, which is next to it with the 4 arrows, it will take you directly to the location of their destination. So for example, the front gate of the Erbil Qalat, and it will take you to the point to verify it and to ensure that you're right place. Below that, the layer, which is the point of interest layer. If you tick it, it will show you all the point of interest, which is in the website. If untick it, it will disappear. This is particularly good for those who doesn't want to have a busy page. Next to it is the direction. Either you can put on your location as origin of the direction and it will start from that point or you type whatever destination you want to start from. Like for example, haphazardly, I'm writing now any point of interest. And for the destination, exactly the same. If you write a couple of letters of the destination or a couple of letters of your category of your destination, I should give you the options. And I did it now, just haphazardly again, and it will show me the route map for my trip, which is between the city of Erbil and Suleimani. Next to that, the green line is the navigation. If I click on it, it will give me the 3 options, either navigate with the mobile app maps, Waze, or Google. And it will directly take you to the application of Waze or Google or the map. For my advice is to use Waze, which is much better in Middle East, especially for the region of Iraq and Kurdistan. Below this, an icon with like a pen, which is mainly for the admin persons, and he's only one who is responsible for modify exception or reject the modification or added a new point of interest, which is being requested by a user. For the user, if they want to add any new feature or point of interest, click on the side of the map, and preferable that you be at the point which you would like to add. So for example, I just choose in that place and I'll click on the map, simply one, and you can see the few options for you. Route from, route to, add a new feature, zoom in and zoom out. Click on the add of the feature, and then it will take you to this page, which you can add the name, the city, the category of the business, and the area, if you know it, of the town which your the point of interest is, and then click save or discard. And that information will go to the admin persons and myself to verify it and to accept it or decline it. The last point which I would like to mention is like a drop icon for the user is to go to the point of interest of their chosen to modify it. Picture, name, site, city, and all other information which is necessary. The submission of this point, it will go to the admin person or myself to verify it, and again, as I mentioned earlier, either accept it or reject it. With this point, I mentioned the main functionality of this project, and I would like to hear your comments, suggestions in the discussion and the comments.